Hello. Hello. So good morning, everyone. My name is Gaurav Shresh, and today we have a webinar on a very interesting topic of Pro Terminal, heat map, and radar feature. So we will start with our radar feature. With our option strategies and our heat map features for Pro Terminal. First of all, we have to give you a brief idea about what is Pro Terminal and how you can get a subscription for the same. So you can see this is our HDFC Securities website. On our left hand side, you can see market, research, product, personal finance, DigiFire, and training. In that, first of all, you have to go to the Pro Terminal section, and in that you have to check the product. So go to the product, and in this you can see at the bottom trading platform. So in trading platform, you can get an Pro Terminal icon, and you have to click into that. So once you click, a Pro Terminal online subscription page will open up. So online subscription of a Pro Terminal is very important in order to use the features of Pro Terminal. How to take it? Simple. You have to add your user ID, your password, your date of birth, and click on I agree with terms and condition, and then click on subscribe now. So once you have done that, your online subscription will activate. A Pro Terminal will activate, and only then you will be able to use the Pro Terminal features. So all the details of a Pro Terminal is given over here, and also you can you can contact your relationship manager in case you want more detail of a Pro Terminal. So this is how you get an online subscription for your Pro Terminal. Now after logging in, once you've taken a subscription, you can just click on a login button and you can log in into our ITS site. After logging in, you have to click on the right hand side. You can see this is our normal watch list page of ITS, starting with portfolio, equity, derivative, and then mutual fund report, IPO. And on the extreme right, you can see investing ideas, and then you can see the Pro Terminal. So only once you have taken an online subscription, you will get this particular icon. You have to click into this, and the Pro Terminal page will open up. So now we are into the features of Pro Terminal, and today in our webinar we will carry two most important feature. First is the heat map for both the equities as well as FNO, and the second one is the strategies, which is the option strategy. So how you can create your option strategy just by entering your view in the market, and how you can use the heat map. So we will cover both this point in today's webinar from starting to end. Also, we will try to cover some of the features of this market section, like the FII and DII activities, unusual activities, sectors, advance and declines, intraday deals, option chain, screener, and all those things. So starting with, we will start with our option strategies section. So once you have opened your Pro Terminal, you have to click on market, and in market you have to open strategies. Just at the top of option calculator, at the bottom you can see a strategy under FNO section. So you can see this is how the strategy page looks like. This is for the Nifty, and again you can obviously add any other stock in the FNO to use this particular feature. There are two inputs that is required from your end. So one is the target date and another is the target price. Okay, target price, in that you have to enter whatever price you're you're expecting the market to reach, either up or down. So let's suppose I am expecting the market to go to up to 10,000 level. and I am expecting it to reach 10,000 by next expiry, the 28th of May, I will say. So only two input I have to enter. This is the first step. Second thing, I have to give a priority. So there are four priority that is given by the system. The one is the safety, another is the return, third one is the profit, and the fourth one is the probability. So I have a two option. One is to give a different priority to each one of them, and the second one is to either keep every one of them on or keep it off. So we can do any one of this thing. Okay. So let's suppose we want to keep our profit as the first top priority. So we will just select the profit and take it at the top. So you can see now profit becomes our first priority. Safety become our second priority. And if in case we want our probability section to to go up, we can directly select it and take it above. So this way our probabilities will be second and profit will be the first option. So once we have given a priority to all the four parameter, we have given a target date, a target price. We can click here for strategy. On the right hand side, you can see the Nifty chart, and you can see the different probability of a stock reaching on a particular date. At the bottom, as per our priority and as per our target price and as per our target date, we have got four different strategies from the system. So what are the four different strategies? The first one is a long call condor. The second one is a long straddle. The third one is the third one is also a long straddle, and the fourth one is also a long straddle, but different strike price obviously. So the first strategy is long call condor. What that means basically is the system is telling us to buy one lot of Nifty 28 May expiry 9,300 call at 502 rupees. Sell one lot of Nifty same 28 expiry May expiry at 1302.9 level. Sell one lot of Nifty again a call option at 457.3 level, and buy one lot of Nifty May expiry again call option at 1726.45 level. So this is the strategy that the system has given to us. This is the risk profile of this particular strategy. Just like that, we can also go with long straddle. So there are three different kind of a long straddle with different strike price that the system has generated for us. One is the Nifty May expiry again with 9150 put option. Buy the 9,150 put option at 58.5 rupees, 58.7 rupees, sorry, and buy another Nifty option of May expiry, Nifty call option, 9,200 call option at 568.35 rupees. Okay, so this is the long straddle. Two more straddle strategy has been given by the system. So this is, and you can go on and select any of the strategy that you want. You will be making profit in case the market goes anywhere around your target price by the expiry date, and you will use this particular system. You will have a proper risk and reward, and you will be making a profit. The only thing that you have to enter is basically your target date, and your priorities. What is your priority? So if your priority is to have a maximum profit, then you will get a same kind of a strategy. If your priority is safety, then you will get a more defensive kind of a strategy. We can also do this for the stock. So let's suppose I want to use a strategy for HDFC Bank. I can do that, or any other stock for that matter. So HDFC Bank current price is around 910.30 rupees. And I want I expect a target of around 980, let's suppose, by the next month expiry. So again, I will enter the target price 980, and I will enter the target date Once I have entered the target date and target price, I have to again give a priority. So the safety, return, profit, and probability are the four parameter I have to give a priority of. So again, this time we will go with the safety first, then return, then profit, and then probability. Maybe we will switch off the probability section. We will keep only the three things open: safety, return, and profit. Click on strategy, and we will get the strategy for the same. So we have got two strategies: short put condor and bull put spread. So in the short put condor, you can see we have got to sell one lot of HDFC Bank at around 840 um, 840 put strike price at 0.05 level. Buy HDFC Bank 860 put option at 0.05. Buy HDFC Bank 880 put option at 59 rupees and sell HDFC Bank 900 put option at 72.80 rupees. So this is the strategy that we can go with, or else another strategy: bull put spread. Buy one HDFC Bank 28 May expiry 880 put at 59 rupees and sell HDFC Bank 900 put at 72.80 rupees. So not a very difficult strategy to execute. Only two leg. So either one, you can go with either one of them, and both of them will make a profit in case the market reaches anywhere around our target price by the expiry date. So this is how you can use the option strategy. Basically, the bottom line is that you only have to enter the target price and target date for a stock and follow the system, the strategy that has been given by the system, and you will make your profit. How to reach there? Once entering into your pro terminal, you have to go to the market. In market, then you have to select the strategy. Right at the bottom, just at the top of options calculator, you can select strategy, and after clicking on a strategy, this page will open up, and then you have to just enter the target date and target price. Okay, so I'm hopeful that this part is very much clear for all of you. In the Q&A section, we will take more questions from you guys. So in case there is any doubt, keep your question ready. After the heat map section, we will take a question for both the option strategies as well as for the heat map. So keep all your questions ready. Any doubt regarding this particular page, we will take all your questions. Now coming to heat map, the second thing about this webinar. So in the market section, you can see the heat map for the equities as well as for the FNO. So we will first cover the heat map of FNO. So now normally for intraday trading or even for a positional trading, normally we try to filter the stock. And for that, it's always beneficial for us if we can understand or if we can get an insight in which of the stock there is a long build up happening or a short build up happening, which is the stock which is going up with the open interest and going down with the open interest. So all these things are very important for us, and this is where the heat map of a FNO comes in. So it gives us an idea which are the stock which is having a long build up, which is having a long unwinding, a short build up, or short unwinding, a short covering. Okay, so these are the four things that is covered by the heat map of FNO. So in the first page, you will see the everything, all the detail, all the four things: the long build up, short covering, long unwinding, and short build up. If you want to check specifically, you can just click on the right hand side of a all button. You can see long build up section. Just click into this. So you will find a list of stock in which a long build up is happening. Now what is long build up? Basically the stock going up with open interest high. So this is known as the long build up. So these stocks are quite bullish as of now, going for the next day or maybe a next couple of trading session. So this will again help you in taking your trading decision. All these things are sorted by the expiry of 30th April and by open interest percentage. Okay, so these stocks have gone up with the open interest also going up. So again, this not like obviously tomorrow again or maybe in the coming week all the stock will be up, but the probability of stock going up increases a lot. Whatever is your trading system or whatever is your trading decision, this might be an additional feature which you can use to make your call, make your prediction in the market. So any stock which is having a long build up will help you to, if in case you already have a bullish view in one of those stocks, you can definitely enter and make profit. Similarly, you have a short build-up stock. So in case you want to go with the short view or you have a bearish view in the overall market, you can see which are the stock which is going down as of now with the increasing open interest. So these are the stock which are showing a sign of weakness right now. You can try to take a short position, given that there is an you know a technical setup for a short or any other method that you use it is also showing a short build up. Two more things are there, which is short covering and long unwinding. The long unwinding, as the name suggests, basically it used to have a long build up, and now that the bullish trend is now is kind of getting flattened up. And same with short covering, the stock used to be in a bearish trend, and now the bearish trend is almost about to get over. So these are the two neutral kind of a symbol, and this is the bullish. Long build up is the bullish symbol, and short build up is the bearish symbol. Okay, the hopeful that this part is clear, and you can do the selection, you can do the screener for a particular sector also. Let's suppose you don't want a screener for the entire sector, you want to go it for the particular sector, you can do that. You can select IT, and only if in the IT stock, which are the stock which is giving you a long build up, those two stock will come up. Which are the stock which is giving you a short build up, that will come up. So let's suppose I want to do the same filter for FMCG. So I can do that for FMCG. A long build-up stock are Jubilant Food and UBL as of yesterday, and short build-up stock is McDowell and Godrej consumer product. Same with Nifty Pharma. For Nifty Pharma, the short build-up stock is Glenmark, DVS Lab, Cadila Healthcare Limited, and for long build-up is Biocon. For different sector, you can go and search a long build-up and short build-up stock. So this is how you can do. Go in the market, in a FNO section, you can select an heat map option. A similar heat map option will be there in the equity also. Again, in this you can either select a Nifty 50 or you can select any other sector. So if you keep a Nifty 50, you will get a list of stock as per three parameter, which is price, volume, and delivery. So let's suppose I want to go with the delivery. And maybe banks. Now this is quite different than what we have discussed earlier. Now we have selected a delivery view. What this means, if the stock is showing completely in a blue symbol, this means the delivery holding or the delivery buying has been the highest, and if it's a dark blue color, that means the delivery buying has been the lowest. Okay, so we will show you the example of Nifty 50 only. So you can see ITS, Tech Mahindra, Bharti Airtel, Infosys. These are the stock which has got the maximum delivery buying as of on Friday. And Tata Steel, Bajaj Finance, IndusInd Bank. These are the stock which has the lowest delivery buying on Friday. Okay, again, if the delivery buying is higher, it increases the chances of a stock to go up. That does not mean that it will go up, but that only increases the chances of the stock of going higher. Okay, so this is again something that can be used for taking a proper trading decision. If you have any bullish view on this stock and it's also showing a higher delivery buying, that means in the coming weeks time or in the coming days, the stock might go up. So you can use this particular thing, particular filter to take more trading, better trading decision. Apart from delivery, we have two more view. One is the price and another the volume. So you can also use that. So you can see as per price, this is not showing properly as of now. But normally this should be the color. The the maroon color will show the lowest volume percentage, and the pinkish color which should show the highest volume percentage. As of now, it's not showing due to some technical issue, but this is how it's supposed to work. So again, coming back in the market, this is the two main important thing: the heat map and the option strategy. Not only for our option trader, but even for the normal trader, let's say for a short-term trading, or for even anyone who want to go for the intraday. For them, both of the things, at least the heat map part is very much important to make a view on the market, to give a to at least shortlist of stock on which they can do a trading. So for that, they can do heat map. And for option trader, for option trader, option strategy is the must. Basically, you might have a view, but exactly which strategy you should go. For that, you should definitely try to use the option strategy. Now coming to the other part, which we will also try to cover in this webinar. So there are more few important things which is there under the FNO part and also in equity. You can see the screener in both of them. So screener basically help you to screen the stock, just like we have used the heat map to screen some of the stock. You can also use the screener to see which of the stock is showing then kind of an abnormal moment, or some kind of an extreme moment in the stock. You can see that, and then you can take a trading decision on the basis of that. So this is basically giving you an indication which are the stock which is going above the resistance 1, resistance 2, or above the pivot point. And just like that, we have high low, gap up, down watch, and open volume and volume watch. So how to use it? Basically, if the stock is breaking the R1 level or R2 level, R1 stands for resistance 1 or resistance 2, and R3 stands for resistance 3. Pivot point is obviously the pivot point. So this is mostly for the intraday trader. If the stock is breaking the R1 level or the R2, you can try to take the buying position in the same stock. So what it does basically, it gives you an clarity that and basically takes out your manual work. You don't have to manually check in which of the stock which is breaking the R1 or R2. You can directly you open this page and you will get a live update the stock which is breaking R1, R2, or R3, and then you can take a trading decision if the stock is breaking the resistance continuously, and you have another bullish setup also in the same stock. You can definitely go and take the buy call into that. So this is how you can use the screener section for the FNO. Same screener we have in our equity also. So you can see a same kind of a screener of a pivot point. So if the stock is breaking R2 or R1 or closing above pivot, whatever it is, that screener, that particular thing will be shown over here. Unfortunately, you can't do a sector-wise filter or the index-wise filter over here. So you will see all the stock, whichever stock is available in NSE or BSE, and whichever stock is breaking the R1 or R2 level, all of them will be shown over here. So I hope both of the points are very clear. So now we will open our Q&A section for heat map and option strategy, the two most important points that we have covered in this webinar. So any doubt, any question that you guys might be having for the FNO or for the option strategy or for the heat map, please use this opportunity keep your question short and simple, so that we can answer it. And don't forget to enter your name before entering the question. Okay, so please enter your question. We will start to take it. So the first question is from Chitra. How do you go directly to the technical chart of a FNO stock from the heat map? Right now, you go to the screen and chart in the top section and choose. Can we do this directly? So, Chitra, if I can understand your question, you want to go to the technical chart of a particular stock from this long build-up section. So that is option is not available. You have to go. What you can do is you can open a chart separately in a different icon, and whatever stock you want to study or do a technical analysis on, you can directly write a name and you can open that stock. That's something that you can do it, or you just click on the stock and the stock page will open up, and then you can go to the stock chart. So these are a two way by which you can open the technical chart of a option stock. Devang have a question. How do I give an input if I feel the market will be within a certain range so as to get a strategy for INR and Condor? Unfortunately, that thing is not there in the strategy. So what you can do in case Devang, you have a neutral view in the market, or you expect the market to be a range bound, what you can do, you can enter the current price. Let's suppose if you are expecting the market to trade around, just let me give you an example, if it's possible. Okay, so here it is. So let's suppose the current market price is around 9266 level, and you expect the market to be a range bound. You expect the market that within even by the next week, the market will be trading at around same level, let's say 9250 level only. So you can enter the 9250. This basically mean the market will be a range bound. You can set your priority and click on a strategy. So you will get a strategy, a range bound kind of a strategy. So this is how you can use. But you obviously can't enter the couple of range in the option strategy section. Keshav have a question. If I have some problem with option strategy, it's not showing in strategy or any other script I enter. Mr. Keshav, you can try again. See, you can see at the top on the left hand side, the Nifty is there. In the Nifty, just replace it with the HDFC Bank or any other company. Check your internet connection; it should be proper. And once you click, you have to select a particular stock name. You enter HDFC Bank and HDFC Bank name rate will come up. Just enter the target date, target price, and click on our option strategy, and the strategy will come. Make sure you have a proper net. Mr. Yogesh have a question. Shall I use the strategy for equity? Mr. Yogesh, yeah, you can use this heat map option for the equity also. For option, obviously, the option strategy cannot be used in equity, obviously, but the heat map section you can use it for screening the stock for the normal buying and selling also. If you want to buy something for equity or in e-margin, you can also shortlist the stock basis on the long build-up. So you can definitely use this. Mr. R.S. Randhawa is asking the question: the sales strategy are based on what? Existing holding? Mr. Randhawa, your question is not clear. Please elaborate more. Mr. Prashant, I have a question: how to choose from a suggested strategy? So, Mr. Prashant, after once you have gotten strategy from the strategy section, you can select any of the strategy that you want. The strategy at top will is what the system is generating as per the priority that you are given. So you can go with the topmost strategy, and otherwise you can also go with the strategy which is given at the bottom. But the top strategy, the mentioned at the top, is as per your priority. So ideally, you should be going with the top strategy. Mr. Devang have a very good question again. Do we have to place order individually for each leg of option strategy? In very fluid market, this become very risky. Yes, Mr. Devang, I understand that, but unfortunately, for order placement right now, we only have a manual option. So, even for a strategy, you have to execute it on a manually basis one by one. Okay, Ajay have a question. Is there any way to backtest the strategy? No, Mr. Ajay, there is no way to backtest the strategy. You have to either you can, try it for a few weeks time to check it how it works, but there is no way you can backtest it. Mr. Rajiv Bora, I have a question. What is the difference between maximum return and maximum potential gain? So I will go with the strategy section again. So maximum return and maximum potential profit, I guess you are talking about, and not anything else. So maximum return is basically it gives you a strategy which will have a maximum return. Okay, and the maximum potential profit will be the strategy which will give you a maximum potential of a profit. Now these are two different things. See, the stock in the maximum return strategy, the strategy will be such that you will get a maximum return in case the stock goes in your direction. The maximum potential profit will be the strategy in which will have a maximum probability, the maximum potential of the strategy of turning into a probability of profit. So the chances of that particular strategy, which is as per the potential profit, will be much more higher. And if you go with the maximum return, the strategy will give you the strategy which will give you maximum return in case the target price is reached on a target date. So this is the main difference. You will get maximum profit on over here, and you will be having a higher potential chances, the higher chances of getting profit on this. So you can rank one of them, or you can switch off and switch on off also, either one of them. Mr. Dharmesh, I have a question. Please help me activate this. So Mr. Dharmesh, to activate this, again I told you, this is our HDFC page. You have to go to product. In product, you have to go to Pro Terminal, enter your user ID, password, date of birth, click on I agree with terms and condition, and click on subscribe now. Mr. Sunil, I have a question, whether we get a payoff in amount, that is loss or profit in the amount, or the margin requirement for each leg with a total margin. Mr. Sunil, to create an option strategy, you have to have a margin, that is obviously requirement that will be there, and then while when you square off your position, then you will get your profit and loss. Mr. Yogendra Kumar, have a question, how to use option calculator. So option calculator is an option that is there at the top, at the bottom of a strategy. So that is something that that will again will take a lot of time. So we will do another webinar on that. Right now in this webinar we can't cover that thing. So we have many more questions coming up. Please keep your question short, guys. We can't take a question if it's too long. Mr. Jayant, I have a question. What are the charges for Pro Terminal? So Mr. Jayant, we will cover the charges for that part. You can contact your relationship manager or customer care. Also, you can see the detail over here at the top of the online subscription page. Mr. Kapil, have a question. Will I get a recording for the same? Yeah, Mr. Kapil, you will get a recording. Already we have a recording for our Pro Terminal webinar that we have done before. So you can also check our previous recording in the YouTube channel. Also for this recording, also we will make another webinar. Mr. Gautam, have a question. Where do you see Nifty expiry in April month contract? So Mr. Gautam, again, we can't give a recommendation for our Nifty or for anything. You can use this particular tool if you have a particular target, but I personally can't give any recommendation in this webinar. Mr. Prashant have a very good question. Can we do all this on mobile application? Yes, Mr. Prashant, we can do all of them, all this, or you can use all this thing in the mobile application. So Mr. Uday Singh, is asking us, your explanation for 2 and 3 point is not clear. Do you have anything in writing? Mr. Uday Singh, I will give you the right away again. I think you want to have a clarity regarding this return, maximum return and maximum potential profit. So it's very simple. The maximum return will give you the strategy which will give you the maximum return in case your target price is get hit on a target date. Okay, it's as simple as that. Maximum potential profit will give you the strategy which will have the maximum chances, the highest chances of a stock of getting a profit in case your target price is hit. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. The maximum return will give you the maximum return in case the target is hit. Maximum potential will give you will be having a strategy which if the stock goes higher, it will be the highest potential profit. Okay, this is how it works. So we have another question coming from Mr. Saurabh Srivastava. Is the pro terminal subscription instant, or I have tried but it did not happen? Mr. Saurabh, if in case your question, if in case you're not able to get in subscription even by clicking on subscribe now, you can directly contact your customer care or contact your relationship manager. In case any money deducted from your account or anything, any query, directly contact the customer care or your relationship manager. They will be able to help you out for the same. Snehal Patel have a question. Any additional charges to use this facility? Mr. Snehal, please contact customer care or relationship manager for the same, or go with the terms and condition at an online subscription page. Mr. Dharmesh have a question. I did the way you said few days ago, but till today it hasn't been activated. So Dharmesh, please write it down on immediately to the customer care. We will definitely look into it. Please give your detail about when you have activated your pro terminal. We will definitely see why exactly you have not got activated. Mr. Vishal have a question. What is the margin requirement for Nifty and Bank Nifty option? Also margin for intraday. Mr. Vishal, all these points are different. Margin for Nifty and Bank Nifty and all these points cannot be covered in this webinar. So for that, you can contact relationship manager. Mr. Hari have a question. Can we get a recording file for this webinar? Yeah, Mr. Hari, this recording file for this webinar will be uploaded in YouTube. Also, we have done previously few of the recording for this pro terminal, not specifically for this two feature, but for many other features. So you can also see the recording of that. Mr. Ashish Kumar have a question. Can we use the radar option? So radar option is there at the right hand side of our market. We have done Ashish few webinar for that. You can cross check it, and you can just see all the feature of a radar. It's very important feature of radar and very useful mostly for intraday. Again, we can't cover all this thing in one webinar, but we have already done a webinar on this part. This is also very important and very interesting. So please go to our previous webinar and check it. Sunil Mehta have a question. I agree that margin is required, but how do we get a margin amount required for the strategy? Okay, Mr. Sunil, the margin required for the option strategy, that is something that is not shown over here. That is something that you have to manually calculate. Unfortunately, the overall margin requirement cannot be shown in the strategy page. The reason for that is that the margin keeps on changing as per the market and as per the risk department. So we can't give you the exact margin requirement for any of the strategy. That is one of the reason, and also it will not be a completely suitable for us to give you the margin. But you can manually calculate the margin, and also margin keeps on changing for the stock, for shorting the stock, and we also buying the stock. So that is something that we can't show it now over here. Mr. Praveen have a question. Can I search for a particular stock in a scanner? Yeah, Mr. Praveen, you can select from a particular sector, not a particular stock, obviously, but you can select a particular sector. So let's suppose in a heat map, you want a long build-up stock, the stock which is giving you a long build-up, which are which is very bullish symbol, but you want only from an IT sector. So you can select an IT sector, and in IT sector you can even get a list of stock which is giving you a long build-up. So you can go with the sector, but you can't select a particular stock. You can't do that. Mr. Devang have a question. Can we see a Greek in a real time? No, Mr. Devang, you can't see a Greek over here. We will try to develop that. It's a good feedback, but right now we don't have it. Jayant have a question. Here it does for commodity. Mr. Jayant, for commodity we don't have an option strategy, unfortunately. Partha Banerjee have a question. Uh, in the morning, the pro terminal is very slow. Partha, we will see if any technical issue is from our side. Do give us an update to our customer care team in case you're finding it on a regular basis that pro terminal is slow. Also check your internet system. Anjali Kumar have a question. Is the open interest data updated in real time or it is EOD? It's EOD, Anjali. So any more question, guys? Please use the opportunity. We have a few more minutes. We can take few more question. Write your name, enter your question. Keep it short, please. We will not be able to take the long question. Keep the question short. Okay, so Mr. Divyangsha have a question. Field and FII and DII, what is activate? So FII and DII under the market section, you will find FII and DII activity. So basically, FII stands for foreign institutional investment and DII stands for domestic institutional investment. So you will find their activity in which of the stock they have been buying and selling. Again, some people use it FII and DII activity to take a trading decision or to make a view in the market. So for that, you can directly see what is the selling and buying activity that they have been doing. Going in the market, select FII DI activity and then you will get this page. Mr. Harish Sharma have a question. Can I execute 4 lakh strategy with one click? No, Mr. Harish, you can't. Mr. Kapil have a question. How to check previous webinar for the same? Mr. Kapil, you can go to our YouTube page and you can check all the previous webinar also on the same page. Just go to our HDFC YouTube page, write a name Pro Terminal or write whatever topic that on which you want to see the webinar, and you will get a webinar on the same. Mr. Kaushik have a question. After accepting subscription, what is the next step? So, Mr. Kaushik, after accepting the subscription, the subscription will be activated. Exactly time I will not be able to tell you, but it should get activated very soon, and then you will be able to get an access to this particular dashboard, and then you can use all the feature of radar, market, heat map, option strategy, option calculator, technical screener. All this section will be usable after that. Ajay have a question. Please describe technical screener. So Mr. Ajay, we actually had a webinar few days ago on the same technical screener feature. Right now, we will not be able to cover this because it's also a very time consuming. It's a very detailed, feature. So I will suggest you to go to our previous webinar and check it. We have made a detailed webinar on this. We will again, we will have a webinar on technical screener. Ajay, have a question again. Can we get a trial period for Pro Terminal before subscription? Mr. Ajay, you can't have a trial period. That's why we are coming up with this webinar so that you can get an idea what exactly the features of this Pro Terminals are and how to use these features. Mr. Atish have a question. How can I build custom strategy in Pro Terminal? Custom strategy in Pro Terminal for options, you can't make it. You can just enter your view, and automatically the system will give you generate the strategy. You can't create your own strategy, so you can obviously change your priority, change your price, change your date, but as per the strategy is concerned, it will come automatically by the system. Mr. Harish, I have a question. Do I get a margin benefit in the strategy? Mr. Harish, I will not be able to answer that question right. Mr. Manish, Sajita, I have a question. Please take up this question. Mr. Manish, what is the question? Please be clear. I am not able to understand your question. Mr. Prashant, have a question. Are there any technical indicator in the chart of a pro terminal? Yeah, Mr. Prashant. So you can see this chart button over here, just on the left hand side of a research. Once you click on a chart button, you will get the chart will open up, and you can use all the technical indicator that is required in the same. So you can enter the balance of power or RSI or MACD, whatever the major indicator that you want, you can enter it, you can use it. Moving averages, all the facilities available with us. Mr. Rajnikant have a question. Pro terminal is always slow. By the time it page open up, the stock goes somewhere else. Mr. Rajnikant, please check your internet connection, and also give us a feedback. If it's continuously slow, we will definitely walk into it. Mr. Ajay, I have a question. Please describe intraday deal and rollover. So, Mr. Ajay, rollover functionality we will not be able to cover in this webinar. Feature rollover part and intraday deal. Intraday deal basically stand for the major deals or the abnormal deals which is happening in a day. But for this rollover part, we will not be able to give you the exact thing in a today webinar, and it's lots of time consuming. So we will do another webinar for all this and the points that is not covered in this webinar. This webinar was there for the option strategy and for the heat map. Each of them takes a lot of time to explain, so we will do a different webinar for every one of them. Kavita, I have a question. So your heat map is not dependable. Kavita, your heat map, alone heat map cannot be taken as an cannot be taken as a trading decision. Obviously, if some stock is showing as an long build up, it does not mean that stock will go up only. It will guide you. It will help you to take a trading decision. You should have some other plan, some other strategy also in place. Now this is just one of the way to take a call. Obviously, you can't just take a call basis on the stock which is showing a long build up or short build up. Jayanta Chatterjee have a question. Can you summarize this webinar as I am late to attend? Mr. Jayanta, I will suggest you to check this webinar again in the YouTube channel. We will again upload the entire webinar. So you can just go through the entire webinar and check it again, the entire recording. Manish have a question. Strike price change in open interest in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes. So, Mr. Manish, see, as far as the open interest changes and on a time frame, what I would suggest you, what you can do, you can go to a particular stock page. Let's suppose Bank of Baroda, okay, during the live market, and on a 15-minute basis, you will see the long build up or a short build up on the right hand side. Again, this is a very important feature, and we will definitely do a webinar on this also going forward. See, on a Bank of Baroda for a 15 minutes, every 15 minutes, whether it's been long build up or short build up, and what is the traded quantity of a contract, that is shown on the right hand side. You can click on this expand button, and this will expand. So you can use this in case you want it for a lower time frame. This is by default it will be there for a 15 minutes only. Sudhir, I have a question. I want a list of securities NSE where the open is equal to low. You can use that, not in radar, not in market in this section, but you can get this feature. So we have a technical screener and we have a radar. These are the two features. In radar, you get lots of stock with gap up option, with the stock which is making a day high and all those things. So we will do a webinar again on radar, and in that we will cover all these points. Mr. Prashant, I have a question. Thanks Great, thanks. So can please improve on the technical screener like Pro Terminal in HDFC Securities mobile application also. Mr. Prashant, we will check that again. As far as my understanding, in mobile application also we have a very good charting facility, and we will again see that exactly if anything that will be improved. So any more question, please, guys, please use the opportunity to ask your question. Enter your name. We can keep this webinar on for 2 minutes more. So any more question, please use the opportunity. We have been almost 1 hour. We have completed. We can take last two or three questions. So any question there, anything, please revert. Mr. Ramakrishna, I have a question. Explain long unwinding. So, Mr. Ramakrishnan, in a heat map, when we go, we have two important sections, which is long build-up and short build-up. Long unwinding basically means the stock which had a long build-up before, and now the stock is that long position is getting unwinding. So now people are booking their profit or getting out of their long position. So this is what is meant by basically long unwinding. The stock which was there in a long build-up, okay, in TVS Motor, in M&M, in Exide, let's suppose these are the stock which is right now in a long build-up. Now if the profit booking start, then it might comes into a long unwinding. Okay, so this is what is meant basically by long unwinding. Pratim Kumar have a question. Strategies are 100% workable. So, Mr. Pratim, strategies is something that can work if your view goes right. Obviously, nothing is 100% workable. If your view is always right, you will always end up making money. So, if let's suppose if your view is that market should go at around 9,500 level by next week, by let's say 30th of April, and if that view is right, if the market does close anywhere around 9,500, then whatever strategy you will use, you will make money 100% of the time. So whether the strategy will work or not all the time, that will depend on your target price and target date. Obviously, what the benefit of a strategy is that once you follow a strategy, you will be getting a disciplined approach towards the market. Your risk will be defined, your reward will be defined. So it will help you to go in the market to express you in a disciplined manner. So that is the advantage of going with the option strategy. So guys, we have a few more questions coming up, but unfortunately, we are running with shorter time. We will take last question from Ramakrishna again. Explain short covering. So Ramakrishna, short covering is again going in the heat map. Short covering other stock which had a short build up before, okay, which has a short build up, and now the people who are short in the position are now started to square off their short position. They have started to either book the profit or start to make a new long position. So basically, short covering means the stock which were earlier there in short build up. Let's say Apollo Hospital Landmark right now is showing in a short build up, are going down with a high open interest. If the stock start to comes up again from this level, it will come under short covering. So this is how the short covering works. So okay guys, thank you very much for joining today's webinar. We will not be able to take much more question. I hope the heat map part and the option strategy are quite clear. As I can see from the question, many people want to understand each and every detail of summary, FII activity, screener, sectors, option chain, future rollover. So we will keep on doing the webinar on Pro Terminal section like this going forward. We will try to cover each and every point in the upcoming webinar also. Okay, so there's two things: the radar and a technical screener. For this, we have done a webinar previously. In the market, the option strategy and the heat map, we have done a webinar today. For a charting and research also, we have done a webinar last week. For the research section, again we will do a webinar because we are not able to cover all the point in the previous webinar. So stay in touch with us. We will be coming up with lots of webinar for the Pro Terminal, and we will be clearing all your doubt regarding it. Also, don't forget to take a subscription for the Pro Terminal after this webinar. Only after taking a subscription you will be able to use all these features. Okay, for any help requirement, you can contact your relationship manager or contact your customer care. In case you're not able to take a subscription of a Pro Terminal or any other issue in using the Pro Terminal, you can directly contact your customer care or contact your relationship manager. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and I hope you all have a very good day ahead. And again, we will be coming up with a webinar, so stay tuned with us. Go to our website lgcsecurity.com, and in that we will update you regarding our upcoming webinar. Okay, thank you very much. I'm signing it off.